Welcome to True Projects. In this video, we are going to see active online learning for social media analysis to support crisis management. Introduction. The active online learning for social media analysis to support crisis management project aims to utilize social media analysis for effective crisis response. It explores advanced algorithms like naive Bayes, which can predict geographical locations from tweet text, providing insights for swift and targeted crisis management strategies. This initiative highlights the need for technology driven solutions in modern crisis management scenarios. Objective of the project. The project's goal is to create an advanced crisis management system that can predict geographic locations in tweet text during emergencies using social media analysis and the naive Bayes algorithm. By effectively utilizing real-time information, this improves crisis management by enabling proactive actions and targeted interventions during disasters that are either man-made or natural. Requirements. These are the requirements needed to execute this project. Hardware requirements: operating system of Windows, processor of i5 and above, RAM of 4GB and above, hard disk of 20GB and above. Software requirements needed are Python IDLE of Python 3.7 version. To execute this project, we have designed the following modules. The first module is Upload Geolocation Tweets Dataset. This module serves as the initial step where the application allows us to upload a dataset containing tweets and their corresponding geographical locations. This dataset forms the foundation for training and testing the predictive model. The second module is Pre-processed Dataset. In this module, the tweets from the dataset undergo a series of pre-processing steps. These include removing stop words, applying stemming and lemmatization to reduce words to their root forms, and eliminating special symbols. The text data is then transformed into a numerical format using TF-IDF, term frequency inverse document frequency vectors. TF-IDF captures the importance of each word within a document relative to a corpus, aiding in data transformation for machine learning algorithms. The third module is Train Naive Bayes algorithm. This module involves training the naive Bayes machine learning algorithm using the processed dataset. Naive Bayes is a probabilistic algorithm commonly used for classification tasks, including text classification. It assumes that features are independent of each other given the class label. It is utilized for its simplicity, efficiency, and effectiveness in text classification tasks. It is well suited for this project due to its ability to handle high-dimensional data like text, and its assumption of feature independence aligns with the relatively short and context-specific nature of tweets. By learning patterns from historical tweets and their locations, the algorithm constructs a model to predict the geographic location of a tweet based on its text. The last module is Predict Location. In this module, we can input a tweet text and the trained naive Bayes model predicts the probable geographic location. The model uses the patterns and relationships learned during training to classify the new input into a specific location category. Execution of the project. To execute this project, first we need to open the code folder. This is the dataset folder in which I have tweets dataset on which we will train the model. This is the model folder in which I have NumPy files and text documents which contain algorithm information. These files can be loaded into the project code during runtime to utilize trained models. This is the download nltk.bat file. By running it, an application will be opened from where we can download the NLTK library and other requirements. These are Python main code files, and this is the text document in which I have few test records on which we will make predictions, and this is the run.bat file. Instead of executing the project in command line interface, we have created these Windows batch files. So double click on run.bat file. This graphical user interface will be opened. With this, we are interacting with the program. We have used Tkinter library to create this graphical user interface. Now click on Upload Geolocation Tweets Dataset button. A dialog box opens, select the dataset and click on Open. So in the text area, we can see a confirmation that dataset is loaded, and this is the dataset. and in the data set we have 24,211 rows and 2 columns. So these are the 2 columns, and here we can see there are special symbols in the data and there are stop words in the data. Now click on pre-process dataset button. So here we have pre-processed the dataset, the stop words and special characters are removed, and we have converted the data into numeric TF-IDF vector. So this is the vector, and we have total 24,211 records. This total dataset is further splitted into train and test sets in the ratio of 80:20. Now train set includes 19,368 records and test set includes 4,843 records. So train set is for training the model and test set is for evaluating the performance of the model. Now click on Train Naive Bayes Model button. So this is the confusion matrix of naive Bayes model. In this confusion matrix graph, on x-axis I have the predicted class and on y-axis I have true class. And the diagonal boxes are the true predictions, the correct predictions, and the remaining boxes are the misclassifications, and we can see there are few misclassifications. Close this graph, and in the text area we can see the performance matrix of the naive Bayes model. Now we will enter a tweet here in this area, and we will click on predict location to get the predictions. So in the test document folder I have few records on which we will make the predictions. So I'm copying this record and I'm pasting it here. Now we will make predictions for this tweet. Click on predict location button. So this is the tweet I have entered, and the predicted location is London, England. Now this time we will enter another tweet. So I have pasted another tweet here. Now click on predict location button. So we can see this is the entered tweet and it has predicted the location as United States. We will do the same with another tweet. So for this tweet it has predicted the location as India. So similarly we can enter the tweet in this area and we can get the location predictions. The conclusion here is the project demonstrates the effective fusion of technology and crisis management. It demonstrates the capability to predict geographic locations from tweet text by effectively utilizing social media insights through the naive Bayes algorithm, a crucial tool in prompt and accurate crisis response. The system's accomplishments highlight its potential to improve emergency management tactics. This project emphasizes the significance of using cutting-edge solutions to navigate and lessen the difficulties of a globally interconnected world as crises continue to evolve.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.